So over here you can see that I have material applied right here, and let's say what I want to do now is edit out the properties of this material. So to do that, I can go ahead and select out this material face right here, and then I can go around over here onto Windows, onto default tree, then go around over here and enable materials, and you get this right here. You can see that over here on the bottom, you get the select option and then you get the edit option right here. So you don't really see a lot right here when I use the scroll bar. So I'm just going to go around and close off the other parts right here, just like this, so that I have more of the area. So you can see that this is the material that I have right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull this off. And now this is what you have. So now you can see that I can choose different formats right here and change around the color of the material as I want. I can even select RGB right here and use the color that I want right here on the brick. So you can go ahead and use a particular, let's say for example, your texture image if you want as well, your custom texture image, and you can go ahead and change around the opacity of the material as well. You can also make it more metallic, or that is you can make it more shiny right here, or make it much more rough, just like this as well. So that is what you have. You can also go ahead and control out the roughness of the material as well, just like this. So you can go ahead and make it more metallic and change around the roughness right here as you want as well. You can even change around the normals right here to make it more deep, as you can see, just like this as well. And even go ahead and change around the ambient occlusion so that you actually get a bit of a shadows right here in between the edges right here, just like this. You can even go ahead and delete out the map entirely as well, or go ahead and utilize the roughness panel right here to go ahead and change around how this actually works. And you can go ahead right here and change around, let's say for example, the color right here as you want as well. So this is what you have. And apart from that, you can also go ahead and change out the size of the texture. So right now it's 2, set to 2, but you can go ahead and set it to 3 or 4 or 5. And this is actually linked together. So you can go ahead and unlink, and then you can go ahead and stretch it out if you want as well, just like this. So you can leave this to 2, but only stretch it from the side right here so that you get this kind of a material. And that is how you can go ahead and then edit out the material as you wish inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.